Little Vinayak was a little elephant. An unhappy little elephant. He had the most peculiar problem. He kept tripping on his trunk. He tripped on his trunk at least 100 times every day. A week ago, he had heard Dr. Hippo tell his ma that his trunk was just a wee bit too long. And that was a problem. What can I do, Ma? Wailed Vinayak. Poor Ma, what could she do? Dr. Hippo had not offered any cure. Come here, Vinu, she called. She gathered Vinayak's long trunk and tied it into a huge knot. Yippee! Shouted Vinayak.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?